Hello, English learners, and welcome to day 2 of our Shadowing Speaking Practice series. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here with me today. You might not realize it yet, but the simple act of clicking play on this video is already a huge win for you. That's right, you've already succeeded just by showing up. Why? Because one of the hardest parts of learning English isn't grammar or vocabulary, it's showing up consistently and pushing through the fear of speaking. And guess what? You showed up today, and that's something to be proud of. My name is Jane, and I am your English coach and your biggest cheerleader on this journey. Today, I am going to guide you through a very powerful and effective method to improve your English speaking skills. This method is called shadowing. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is shadowing? Let me explain in greater detail. Shadowing is a scientifically backed language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say, either simultaneously or with a very short delay. Imagine hearing someone say a sentence, and as they speak, you follow their voice, their rhythm, their emotion, their stress on certain syllables. You are not just repeating like a robot. You are immersing yourself in the flow of the language. Why is this important? Because speaking is not just about knowing the words, it's about how you say them. When you shadow, you pick up the nuances, the tone, the emotion, the melody of English. This makes your English sound more natural and fluent. Let's go even deeper into how shadowing can benefit you in multiple areas. 1. Improves pronunciation and accent. You are copying exactly how a native speaker talks. That means you are learning to form the right mouth shapes, to place stress on the correct syllables, and to use natural connected speech. 2. Boosts listening skills dramatically. By paying close attention to the speaker, you become more aware of sounds, reductions, contractions, and commonly used phrases that native speakers often blend together. 3. Builds your confidence from the inside out. When you hear yourself speaking English out loud every day, it rewires your brain to believe, yes, I can speak English. Over time, speaking becomes less scary. 4. Increases fluency and reduces hesitation. Your brain starts connecting ideas in English instead of translating from your native language. This automaticity is what makes fluent speakers sound effortless. 5. Enhances vocabulary, recall, and memory. Because you are saying things aloud and actively engaging, the words stick better. Shadowing helps store vocabulary in your long-term memory. 6. Trains your brain to think in English. This is one of the most powerful outcomes. With repeated shadowing, you start to think in English instead of translating, which leads to faster, more natural responses. Now let me emphasize, this is not about being perfect. You don't have to get every word right. You don't need to sound exactly like the speaker on your first try. The goal here is progress, not perfection. It's about developing muscle memory, mental agility, and the courage to speak out loud. Whether you are just starting your English learning journey or have been studying English for years, this practice is for you. Even advanced learners can benefit greatly from shadowing because it sharpens pronunciation and improves delivery. If you're nervous about making mistakes, that's completely okay. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Mistakes are the steps toward fluency. Don't judge yourself. Encourage yourself. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. This is a journey, and every day you show up, you're moving forward. Now let's begin our shadowing practice for today. I have prepared 20 powerful English sentences that are specially designed to help you build confidence, develop fluency, and train your speaking skills effectively. Here's how to practice. First, listen carefully to me say the sentence. Focus on the tone, the pauses, the flow. Then, repeat the sentence out loud right after me. Try to match my tone, rhythm, and pronunciation as closely as you can. If you need more time, pause the video and practice it again. Say it with energy, not quietly. Let your voice be heard. Try standing in front of a mirror to watch your mouth movements. Repeat the entire session every day for the next 7 days. You'll be amazed at your progress. Let's go. 1. I believe in myself and my ability to speak English clearly. 2. Every day, my English is getting better and better. 3. I am not afraid to make mistakes because they help me learn. 4. I speak English with courage and confidence. 5. My voice matters, and I love expressing myself in English. 6. I practice speaking every day, and I am improving quickly. 7. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small it is. 8. English is fun, and I enjoy learning it. 9. I can understand and use new words in real conversations. 10. Speaking English is becoming easier for me every day. 11th. I sound more natural and fluent with every practice. 12. I am confident when I talk to people in English. 13. I enjoy using English at work, school, and with friends. 14th. I celebrate my effort and dedication to learning. 15. I am growing my English skills with love and patience. 16th. My English journey is unique and beautiful. 17. I feel proud when I speak English. 18. I use English to connect with people all over the world. 19. I never give up on my English goals. 20. I believe in myself and my ability to speak English clearly. After repeating these sentences, spend a few minutes reflecting on how you felt while speaking. Did your confidence go up even a little? Did some words feel easier than yesterday? Great. That's growth. You can also record yourself speaking, then listen back and compare it to the native version. This self-feedback is incredibly helpful for fine-tuning your pronunciation and rhythm. You are doing something truly powerful right now. You are not only learning English, you are becoming a confident communicator. You are training your mouth, your ears, and your brain to work together in a beautiful harmony. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. The more you shadow, the more fluent you become. So please, keep going. Keep repeating these sentences for a few days, and don't stop showing up for yourself. One sentence at a time, you are building the future version of yourself who speaks English with confidence, with clarity, and with joy. Thank you for joining me today. Speak loud, speak proud, and I'll see you in the next practice. You are doing great. Keep shining and never stop believing in yourself. With love and support always, Jane, your English coach.